ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा. In this we have seen 3 chapters or 3 sections. First one was Pratyaksha Parichhedaha. Then Anumana Parichhedaha. And then Upamana Parichhedaha. Pratyaksha, what is Pratyaksha Pramanam?
अंतःकरण वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य.
Antakarana Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya. And there Yogyata etc. was mentioned. Anumanam, we saw, Anumanam is where Vyapti Smarana happens, and through that Vyapti Smarana, Paksha Dharmata Jnanam will result in Anumiti. Paramarsha was not mentioned. Then Upamanam. What is Upamana Pramana?
Sadrishya Pramakaranam.
Sadrishya Pramakaranam. So in Upamanam, Karana is also Sadrishya. Upamiti is also Sadrishya. Both are Sadrishya. But one is Go Nirupita Gavaya Pinda Nishtha Sadrishya Jnana. This is Karanam. Gavaya Pinda Nishtha Sadrishya. And the Phalam is Gavaya Pinda Nirupita Go Nishtha Sadrishya Jnana. This is Phalam. So, the sequence, if you want to understand, this is the sequence. In Vedanta, we don't need somebody telling this person that Go Sadrishi or Go Sadrisha Gavayaha. This how in Nyaya Aranya Purusha has to say, that is not needed. Direct Gavaya Indriya Sannikarsha happens. This is number 1. Then number 2, he will get the Jnanam. Oh, this is Go Sadrisha. Then Anena Sadrishi Madhyagauhu. This is the Phalam. So Gavaya Nishtha Sadrishya Jnanam is Karanam. Go Nishtha Avayava Sadrishya. Go Nishtha Gavaya Sadrishya Jnanam is Phalam. And we saw at the end in Upamanam that this cannot be replaced by Pratyaksha or Shabda or Anumana. Seeing Gavaya is Pratyaksha, but that is not Sadrishya Jnana. Similarly, if somebody does Anumanam in place of Upamanam, Siddhanti said, for Ghata also you will do Anumanam. Why? Because you have Sisha Dhaisha. So, Ayam Ghataha, Kambugrivadiman, Ityadi, Anumanam you can do. So, that will refute all Pramanams. Even Pratyaksha will go away. So, Anumanam has its own place, but Pratyaksha, Upamana, they have their own position. And whatever Vriddhas, means the Purvacharyas, whatever Shabda they have used for a particular Vastu, that Vachaka, Vachya, Sambandha, same we have to use. So, Gavaya Shabda is used in that which is Go Sadrisha. So, Gavaya Shabda will always point out that which is Go Sadrisha in this way. And therefore, Upamanam is a separate Pramanam. It is neither Shabda, nor Pratyaksha, nor Anumanam. Up to that we saw. Any questions are there up to this? No. Okay. Further, page number 106, Tika. Krama Praptam Agama Nirupanam Pratijanite. So now we begin Agama Pramana. Krama Praptam. Krama Praptam because 6 Pramanas were mentioned. Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Agama. So now there is Akanksha. Okay, tell me the next one now. So the next is Agama Pramana. What is the meaning of Agama? Agama is Agamyate Artho Anena iti Agama. A means Samyak. Gamyate means Nyayate. Artho Anena iti Agama. So that by which correct meaning is gained, is understood, is called Agama. It is a Vakya Vishesha. A Vishesha Vakya is called Agama. What is the Vishesha in that? Let us see. Atha Agamo Nirupyate. Now Agama Nirupanam is happening. We will see 1 number Tippani little later. First, let us do some basics. Upamana Nirupananantaram Shabdo Nirupyate. Nirupyata ityartha. After explaining Upamana, now Shabda Nirupanam begins. So this is what kind of Sangati you will give?
Prakarana Sambandha.
What are the 6 Sangatis? This is Nirvaha Aikyam Sangati. Nirvaha Aikyam means they all have same Karana. Their Nirvahaka is same. So Nirvahaka here is Prama. Prama is of different types. Pratyaksha Prama, Anumiti Prama, Upamiti Prama, Shabda Prama, Arthapatti Prama, and Anupalabdhi Prama. Prama is common in all. So you can say it is nirvahaka sangati. उपमान निरूपणानन्तरं शब्दो निरूप्यते. तत्र आगम प्रमाणं लक्षयति. What is आगम प्रमाणं? मूलं यस्य वाक्यस्य तात्पर्य विषयीभूत संसर्गो मानान्तरेण न बाध्यते तद् वाक्यं प्रमाणम्. यस्य वाक्यस्य of that वाक्य तात्पर्य विषयीभूत संसर्गो मानान्तरेण न बाध्यते. So vakya which I have heard, in that vakya, the tatparya vishayi bhuta sansarga means the meaning of the vakya. Meaning which is free from any doubts, meaning which is free from any errors. Such clear meaning of the vakya, if it is not contradicted by another pramanam, manantarena na badhyate, that vakya is pramanam. Okay. टीका मानांतर बाधित मानांतर अबाधित तात्पर्य गोचरीभूत पदार्थ संसर्ग बोधक वाक्यम शब्द प्रमाणम. दिस वी हैव टू नो. मानांतर अबाधित तात्पर्य गोचरीभूत पदार्थ संसर्ग बोधक वाक्यम. वेरी सिंपल. It is abadita by any other pramana, so manantara abadita, and tatparya gochari bhuta padartha sansarga bodhaka vakya. It gives tatparya jnanam. Such padartha sansarga bodhaka vakyam is shabda pramanam. शब्द समानार्थ के प्रमाणांतरे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय उक्तम. शब्द समानार्थ के प्रमाणांतरे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय उक्तम वाक्यस्य. वाक्यस्य तात्पर्य विषयीभूत संसर्ग. So what is indicated? Vakya is pramanam, not pada. In Vedanta, pada is not pramanam. Vakyasya, that's why Vakya Shabda is given. Because in other darshanas, they accept pada also as pramanam. According to Nyaya, Ghatam is a Vakya or Padam.
पद.
वाक्य
वाक्य
What are the components in that Vakya?
ख ख घ घ द विसर्ग.
No.
घट and
Ghata and two pada. Two padas together make it Vakya. Ghata Pratipadika is one. Then you have the pratyaya, ting pratyaya, supratyaya, whatever pratyaya comes, that pratyaya is counted separately. This is the idea of Nyaya. In Vyakarana, what is Vakyam?
सुप्तिङन्त वाक्यम.
Suptingantam is Vakyam.
Sorry.
पदसमूहः.
Ekating Vakyam. According to Vyakarana, Ekating, you need ting. Sup will not make a Vakya. You need ting pratyaya. Ekating Vakya. But then if Tadanta pratyas are there, it will still be a Vakyam. Ramo Gataha. Ramo Vanam Gataha. Gataha is there. So when they say ting means, we should understand what they mean by ting pratyaya. Because dhatu is there. In Gataha, Gam dhatu is there. And Nishtha pratyaya is there. Anyway, in Vedanta, Vakya is Pramanam, not Pada. That's why you see in Tika, again, Shabda Samanarthake Pramanantare Ativyapti Varanaya. Shabda Samanarthaka Pramanantara. Shabda becoming Pramana, there is Ativyapti there. Tad Varanaya Uttam Vakyasya. Vakya is Pramanam, not Pada. That's why you say Mahavakya is Pramana. Brahma by itself, what does it mean? Okay. Now, I think we should see the Tippani number 1. What is that Tippani trying to say? First understand. This is beautiful Tippani. I think it is a must for everyone to know this. When I hear Shabdas in the form of Vakya, I will hear that Vakya. Gam Anaya. When I hear this, is this Shabda Pramana or Pratyaksha Pramana?
Shabda Pramana.
Is unknown. If just heard the words, the shabda is Pratyaksha Pramanam. But if I process the sentence, the meaning of the sentence, and get some taparya out of that is Shabda Pramana.
So this is the distinction that we have to know. What is Pratyaksha? Because if I hear the Shabda, it is Pratyaksha. Because I am using Karana in the form of Indriya to hear the Shabdas. It is just like using Chakshu to see something. So I need to understand the difference between when is it Pratyaksha Pramana and when it becomes Shabda Pramana or Agama Pramana. This Tippani clarifies that. Atra Agama Prama Pramana Vishayam Adhikritya Pipatishunam Upakaraya Kinchid Vicharayamaha. Agama Prama Pramana Vishayam Adhikritya. Agama Prama Pramayaha Pramana Vishayam. Agama Pramayaha Pramana Vishayam Adhikritya. If Agama Janya Prama is there, for that Prama, there is a Pramana. That Pramana will have some Vishaya. Tad Adhikritya means keeping that in mind. Pipatishunam. Pipatishu
Patitum Ichu.
Patitum Ichuhu. Pipatishuhu. Tesham Pipatishunam. Those who are desires of study, for their upakaraya, for showering grace and blessings on them, kinchid vicharayamaha, we are going to do some thinking. Kechana antevasinaha. Vatsam badhana. That word you should know properly. Vatsam badhana. Ityadi vakya shravanam yajjatam tadeva shabdam jnanam iti. Some antevasinaha. Antevasina means Shishyaha, Chatraha, those who live inside. They are called Antyavasi. Gurukulavasi. Huh? Somebody is there. To that Gurukulavasi, some Acharya or someone gave instruction. Vatsam badhana, tie a calf. Ityadi vakya shravanam yad jatam. This vakya shravanam that has happened, they think that itself is Shabda Jnana. Tadeva Shabdam Jnanam iti. Tatha Shrutam Vakyameva Shabda Pramanam iti cha avagachanti. And that Tatha Shrutam Vakyam, whatever they heard, this is Shabda Praman. This Vakya is Pramana. Parantu tad ubhayam api brahma eva. So, Vakya Shravanam yad jatam. This is, they think this is Shabda Jnana. And that Vakya that they heard, they think this is Shabda Pramanam. Two things they think. Vakya that I have heard is Pramanam, and this Vakya, whatever Jnanam that has come through this, is Shabda Jnana. This is what they think. Parantu tad ubhayam api brahma eva. Both are bhranta. Why? Tasya shravanasya shrotrajasya pratyaksha pramatvat. This shravana is shrotrajanya. That which is shrotrajanya is pratyaksha prama. Tad karanam api shrotram eva. So karanam is shrotra karanam. Prama is shrotraja prama. Shrotram eva. Tattu pratyaksha pramanam eva iti. That is pratyaksha praman only. It is nothing else. Shabdi prama is a Shabdi prama tu manantara abadita tatparya vishayi bhutasya samsargasya ya prama saiva. Shabdi prama is different. Manantara abadita tatparya vishayi bhutasya samsargasya ya prama. So you have to do these things. These shabdas which I have heard, I have to know Shabdartha. Then I have to know Sansarga between those Shabdas. Because if there is no such Sansarga, then it doesn't, that Vakya doesn't produce Praman. Then there should be Yogyata, etc. And it should be Manantara Abadhita, not contradicted by another Praman. And it should be Tatparya Vishayi Bhuta. It should be revealing some Tatparya Vishaya. Means it should be connected to the Tatparya of that discussion. If it is something out of context and irrelevant, it is not Pramana Vakya in that. It will not produce Pramana. It should not produce Pramana. Tadhacha Vakya Shravananantaram Amanta Vatsa Rupa Pratipadikasya Akhyata Anta Badhescha. When I heard the Vakya, what was the Vakya?
What sampatthana?
Vatsambadhana is the Vakya. Vakya Shravananantaram Anta Vatsam, that Anta Vatsarupa, Vatsa is Pratipadika. Anta Vatsarupa Pratipadikasya Akhyatanta Akhyata is Badhana. So Badhehe, Badhatu, Badhescha Vatsa Karmaka Bandhana Kriya Bodhakatvam. This is the Jnanam he gets. Vatsa is the karma in this Vakya. Badhana, so Badha, धातुक क्रिया बोधकम इदम वाक्यम वत्स कर्मक बंधन क्रिया बोधकत्वम इति एवं रूपा वाक्यार्थ वाक्ययोः बोध्य बोधक भाव रूपा या सा शाब्दी प्रमाण बिटवीन वाक्यार्थ एंड वाक्य वाक्यार्थ वाक्ययोः वाक्य इज बोधक वाक्यार्थ इज बोध्य so he says बोध्य बोधक भाव रूपा. So this is what we say, what is the sambandha? बोध्य बोधक भाव संबंध in अनुबंध चतुष्टय. वाक्यार्थ वाक्ययोः बोध्य बोधक भाव रूपा या सा शाब्दी प्रमाण. दिस इज शाब्दी प्रमाण. So there is a difference between the Shruta Vakya and after that I get the Sansargatmaka Jnana. Manantar Abhadita, so I will test. If I hear something, but if it is Manantar Badhita, let's say it is bright and sunny right now, and somebody says, oh, it is pouring. So I heard that Vakya. That Vakya Pratyaksha I had, but it is not going to be Shabda Pramanam. Why? It is Badhita by another Pramana, Pratyaksha. So Shabdi Prama requires Manantara Abhadita Vastu. Then Tatparya Vishayibhuta Samsarga. Samsarga of Pada should be connected to the Tatparya. संसर्गस्य क्या प्रमाय बोध्य बोधक भाव रूपा या सा शाब्दी प्रमा. तस्याः करणम अपि उक्त संसर्ग बोधक वाक्य ज्ञानम एव. What is the karanam for this? Sansarga bodhaka vakya jnanam is the karanam. Tasmin jnane. So this is clear. Pratyaksha and Shabda. What is the difference between them? Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
तस्मिन् ज्ञाने च आकांक्षा योग्यता आसक्तयः तात्पर्य ज्ञानं च इति चत्वारि सहकारी कारणानि इति. In this jnanam, 4 sahakari karanas are there. Akanksha, yogyata, asakti means sannidhi and tatparya jnanam. तथा च वाक्य ज्ञानस्यैव प्रमाणत्वे अपि प्रकार विषया वाक्य प्रमाणत्व व्यवहार इति ध्येयम्. वाक्य ज्ञानम alone is pramanam. वाक्य ज्ञानस्यैव प्रमाणत्वे. Then prakara vishaya vakya pramanatva vyavahara. So I am assuming prakara vishaya vakya will be Neelam Utpalam. This is prakara vishaya vakya. There also pramanatva vyavahara will happen. Iti dhyeyam. Now see Moolam. वाक्यजन्य ज्ञाने च आकांक्षा योग्यता आसक्तयस् तात्पर्य ज्ञानम च इति चत्वारि कारणानि. For वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान these 4 are सहकारी कारण. आकांक्षा योग्यता आसक्ति तात्पर्य ज्ञानम. ठीक है. वन्निना सिंचेत् इति वाक्यस्य प्रमाणता निरासाय उक्तम. Vannina sinchet, this vakya also will become pramanam. So that vakya doesn't have pramanyam, and therefore yogyata, because Vanni does not have sechana yogyata, and therefore that vakya will not become praman. So manantara abadhita, that is given for this purpose only. Otherwise, Vannina sinchet, there will be ativyapti there. Vannina sinchet, you hear the shabda, pratyaksha pramana takes place. But the sansarga is incorrect because there is no yogyata. Agni does not have sechana dharma. Jal has sechana dharma. So Vannina, I understand the shabda. Sinchet, I understand the shabda. But Vannina sinchet vakya, this is apramanika. Why? Manantar badhitatva. So that's why they said manantara abadhitatva. Manantarena na badhyata iti. Then sa prajapati ratmano vapam. It is vapam. Udakhidat. Ityadavati vyapti varanaya tatparya vishayi bhuta iti uktam. Prajapati, this you have seen in Artha Sangraha. So what is going to happen now? He is not going to discuss only Gamanaya and Gambadhana, only cow. He is going to discuss some Veda Vakyas like this. Sa Prajapati Ratmano Vapam Udakhidat. So, if you are a little bit familiar with Artha Sangraha, it will help you. Because this entire topic, Shabda Pramana or Agama Pramana, is based on the Veda, which will include Vedanta also. Prajapati, Brahma, what he did, his own Vapam. Vapam means the fat from the stomach area. He removed and he offered that in the Agni. Udakhidat, he pulled it out. So the intention there is not to show, I also have to remove some fat from my stomach, etc. Tatparya there, what is the Tatparya? Tatparya is that how Prajapati with all the faith has performed a yaga. So he also does everything with lot of faith, and therefore we also should do with faith. Intention is not to remove some fat or some bone marrow or something, because person will die. Literal meaning, if you take to pull the fat, it will cause death for human beings. You have to understand Tatparya Vishaya. Where is the Tatparya? What is the object? And that Vannina Sinchet, so in that Manantara Badhitattva is there. So both points we should understand. Okay. I have shared one paragraph with everybody. So at least download it in the afternoon session, we will see. We'll continue with this right now, but you keep it handy in the next session. Sajatyam cha vyavaharika tattva avedakatvena bodhyam. Paramarthika tattva vedake hi neha nanasti kinchana iti vedantaihi घट आनयनादि संसर्गस्य याग स्वर्गादि साध्य साधन भावस्य च पादे अपि न क्षति. Manantarena means सजातीय प्रमाणांतरेण इत्यस्य अनंतरेण इत्यस्य सजातीय प्रमाणांतरेण इत्यर्थः। सजातीय प्रमाणांतर मीन्स व्हाट? सी साजात्यम च व्यावहारिक तत्व आवेदकत्वेन बोध्य। सो व्यावहारिक तत्व आवेदकत्व, अयम पटः, दिस इज व्यावहारिक ज्ञान, अयम घटः, दिस इज व्यावहारिक ज्ञान। दैट प्रमाणम which is abhadita in the vyavaharic reality, vyavaharic tattva avadikattvena sajatyam bodhya. So sajatiya pramanantarena means another pratyaksha, anumana, upamana, not apaurushaya pramana. Apaurushaya pramana will do bada of everything. So that we are not talking. But one pratyaksha, if it is not contradicted by another pratyaksha or by some anumanam, it is a valid pramana. तेन पारमार्थिक तत्वावेदकैः नेह नानास्ति किंचन इति वेदान्ते. By this what will happen? Paramarthika Tattvavedaka is only Upanishad. In that they have quoted Neha Nanasti Kinchana Kathopanishad. Iti Vedantaihi Ghata Anayanadi Sansargasya. By these Vedantins or Vedanta Darshan, Ghata Anayanadi Sansargasya one and means Laukika Shabda. And Yaga Swargadi Sadhya Sadhana Bhavasya cha. This is Vaidika Shabda, where Yaga is the sadhana and Swargadi are sadhya. Yaga, Swargadi, sadhya, sadhana, Vyatireka. Yaga is given first, but Yaga is sadhana. Swargadi is given second, but it is sadhya. Avasya cha bade api nakshatihi. टिप्पणी 1 यागादेश्च स्वर्गादेश्च यह साध्य साधन भावः संसर्गः तस्य च नेह नानास्ति किंचन इत्यादि श्रुत्या बाधे अपि न क्षति न अव्याप्ति. यागादि एंड स्वर्गादि, याग इज साधन, स्वर्ग इज साध्य, साध्य साधन भावः संसर्गः इज देयर बिटवीन द टू. तस्य च नेह नानास्ति किंचन इत्यादि श्रुत्या. But this all, everything gets negated by neha nanasti kinchana shruti, Kathopanishad. Bade api nakshati. So even if Swarga as sadhya and yaga as its sadhana, these Vedic vakyas get badita by neha nanasti kinchana shruti, still they are valid in Vyavaharik sphere. They have Vyavaharik Pramanya. Na avyapti. Why? Tasya Paramarthikatva Avaidikayaha. Vyavaharika Tattva Vedakaihi Jyotishtomadi Vakyaihi Sajatya Bhavad Ityarthaha. So, the Paramarthika Vedavakya, even if it can do Bada of Vyavaharika, they don't have Sajatyam. That is what I said. Paramarthika Tattva Vaidikayaha Vyavaharika Tattva Vedakaihi Jyotishtomadi Vakyaihi Sajatya Abhava. Because one is Vyavaharika, another is Paramarthika, so they have together. So they are not called Sajatiya. एतेन अनुमानात् पृथक् शब्दम् अनंगीकुर्वन्तो वैशेषिकाः पराकृता वेदितव्याः. एतेन, by this vakya means this what we showed, that Vedanta has its own pramanyam, Shabdas can have pramanyam as long as Vedanta doesn't do their nisheda. When Vedanta does nisheda, they all are badita. By this, Anumanat Prithak Shabdam. Other than Anumanam, there is a Pramanam called Shabda Pramanam. Shabdam Anangi Kurvantaha, those who don't accept this, who are they? Vaisheshikaha. They all are refuted. Parakritaha, Veditavyaha. Next sentence is long. Let us see if we can complete. Tehi laukikani gamanaya ityadini. Vaidikani jyotistomena swargakamu yajeta ityadini. लौकिक वाक्य गामानय एक्सेट्रा, वैदिक वाक्य ज्योतिष्टोमेन स्वर्गकामो यजेत इत्यादि तात्पर्य विषय पदार्थ संसर्ग प्रमा पूर्वकाणि योग्यता सती
आसक्ति स्वामीजी।
योग्यता आसक्तिमत पद कदंबकत्वात्
पटम आनय इत्यादिवत् इत्यादि अनुमानेन एव।
पटम आनय, I will keep that open. योग्यता आसक्तिमत पद कदंबकत्वात् पटम आनय इत्यादिवत् इत्यादि अनुमानेनैव शब्दार्थ सिद्धो न अभ्युपेयम्। शब्दार्थ सिद्धे है, सिद्धे है, नॉट सिद्धे, शब्दार्थ सिद्धे
सिद्धेः शब्दो न पृथक् प्रमाणम् इति वदन्ति।
शब्दार्थ सिद्धे है शब्दो न पृथक् प्रमाणम् इति वदन्ति। सो वैदिक लौकिक वाक्य गामानय इत्यादि, वैदिक वाक्य ज्योतिष्टोमेन स्वर्गकामो यजेत इत्यादि तात्पर्य विषय पदार्थ संसर्ग प्रमापूर्वकाणि वाक्यानि। They need yogyata, asatti, etc. Yogyata, asatti mat means yogyata, asatti man, these vakyas. Pada kadamakatvat, it is a group of padas. Patam anaya ityadivat, this is anumana. तात्पर्य विषय पदार्थ संसर्ग प्रमा पूर्वकाणि, this is paksha. योग्यता आसक्तिमत पद कदंबकत्वात्, no, this is sadhya. तात्पर्य विषय पदार्थ संसर्ग प्रमा पूर्वकाणि is sadhya. लौकिकानि वाक्यानि वैदिकानि वाक्यानि च, this is paksha. And hetu is yogyata asaktimat pada kadambakatvat. Patam anaya is drishtanta. This is the complete anumanam. Anumane naiva shabdartha siddhe shabdo na prathak pramanam iti vadanti. So Vaisheshika etc. they say shabda is not prathak pramanam, because what you will get through shabda we can do it through anumanam. Why do you need separate pramanam? But they are refuted. How? We'll see more in the second session later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।